What's up? It's your guy. Right back at you with another one. YouTube, I'm here. DreCut himself, making it happen. Mr. Money Man, let's get it.
Just because I can, I'ma spend like 100 grand. I'ma spend like 100 grand. Girl, just me one.
Yeah, get him all cleaned up.
I'ma spend like 100 grand. I'ma spend like 100 grand. Girl, just me one.
What's up, world? The difference between those who win and those who talk about it is it comes down to what are you willing to sacrifice. Woke up early in the morning and the only thing I could think about is how can I be better? How can I make more money? How can I be more prosperous? And how can I put all these ideas and things that I have in the works and make them reality? So, I've been up for a little bit. What is it? Like 4 a.m. I don't know if you can see that. 4 a.m. I guess this is now Sunday morning. So, this is what we do. We grind. We hustle, we work. I'm in the preschool right now. But yeah, trying to figure out some more property ideas and how can I take the little bit of money that I have and make it look like I just got a ton of it. And that's the key to all business. It's taking little money and trying to get your return on investment to be a lot higher. So I appreciate you guys who are tuning in to me, who really want to know how I rock and know what I do. I appreciate you. I'm done now. I just need to get that.
I think if you keep this spot, you make more money.
That's what I'm thinking too.
You know what I mean? It's like, it's a no-brainer. I mean, you're right by the school, man. You got a daycare right by the school, bro. Fully ready to go. And then when you're ready to sell, you can still get all your mints.
I'm just thinking, if I could take the equity after it's hooked up.
Absolutely.
And be able to move that.
There it is. And what they call that cash flow? Come on, man.
Look at that. He's at the cash flow
They call
now.
it cash flow, man.
Man.
After it's done, you can get that cash flow and do something else. Do something that you really want to do.
Yeah.
For sure.
My guy said he'll pull up with the Crocs.
Oh yeah, he caught me. He caught me at the car lot. You know what I mean? So I got on Crocs. He got on, you know what I mean, Louboutins. I got on Crocs.
Stop it.
He said he hit me a couple times, but I don't got my Facebook app. So he asked me about some property.
Let's get the story right. So I was hitting my man, and when I was hitting him, I guess I was hitting the wrong spot. I should have been actually hitting his like page. So for you people out there, you gotta hit his like page, okay? Don't hit him on the Facebook.
My number.
Hit the number. He said I was doing it the unorthodox way. He said he more professional than I am.
Nah.
I gotta hit him right. So yeah, just trying to get with this dude because he making all the power moves. That's all it is.
Appreciate it. Trying to.
And I watch
I can.
I'm gonna tell you, I watch every video you put out there, man. I like it every single time, man. It's good information for the people, and I've learned a lot from it too. So I mean, I want to.
Humbling to hear this. Humbling.
No, it's really good stuff. I really want to get with you about this 203K loan.
Okay.
And how that actually works, and actually getting that all hooked up, because my goal is to try to buy a lot of these distressed properties around. You know, if I could buy as many distressed properties and move my money around with the businesses I have, I mean, I'm down.
Right.
So I mean, I know you the man who know all the stuff. You've been giving the world the game. I gotta know what's up with that.
Yeah. So FHA. So in simplistic terms, FHA is a FHA 203K, which basically allows you to finance the purchase price and the construction of a property with the down payment of only 3.5%. So the one caveat with the 203K loan is that it can be very tedious when it comes to paperwork and managing contractors, because the bank are giving the contractors draws. So depending on, like, if it's a fixer and it's something that's been sitting on the market, right, it's and for whatever reason it's hard to sell because it's not financeable, those are the good ones. But if it's something that a fixer that's on the market and all the investors are looking at it, everyone is looking at it, that might not be the best fit, just because, you know, it's easier, it'll be a lot easier for that person to take, you know, cash from an investor than it would to be able to go through the FHA 203K process. But like I said, if you find the right property, it's the best way to get, you know, instant equity on something, because again, I'm using just simple prices. These aren't Portland prices, but if you were to find a house for $100,000 and it needed, you know, $25,000 worth of work, and that made it worth $175, right there off the back, you already have $50,000 worth of equity. So if you were to sell the house, you'll make $50,000 immediately. So I definitely think it's a good play when you find the right property. So that's the game. We can talk more.
That's real game. I'm gonna tell you, I've been researching like crazy on that and just trying to figure out what I can get my hands onto. So what I've been doing also is going out to properties that they're not even on the market.
Right.
Yeah, I'm going to people's houses like, hey, I know you ain't cut your grass in like a year,
right.
You know, or I have to look them up on Portland maps. Like, who owns this actual property? Let me send you let me send you an email or something to actually get a hold of you. So, I mean, I know you're the guy to talk to if I find one. Hey, how can you make this all work?
Right.
So perfect, man. I appreciate it. What's up? It is me, the guy himself, DreCut, Ben Andrews, whatever you call me, I am here. I'm letting you know that I'm coming at you with some YouTube videos real soon. Please subscribe, ask for followers. This is my life. This is how I get down. This is how I make it happen. DreCut. Yee!